Yeah. Yeah. No. Chuck it. Chuck it. Oh yeah! Oh, that was so cool. He's like, thanks, Jackie.
Get another one.
That was so cool. Hi, Bobby. Be cute. An apple. You want to give one to the new pony? You have to make him be cute.
Stupid.
Ooh, evil.
He's the stupid one.
Come on, Yui. Come on, Yui. I want to give one to Lucy.
Wait, chuck it down the thing.
He's not going to run for it, you know that.
God, just hold the door closed. Come on, Yui.
I don't have anything. Yes, I do, but I'm not going to give it to you. Go away. Go.
I like having a butt with this.
Yeah, that works. I think somebody should get on him bareback, and then he should be followed around with an apple.
Go get it. Go.
Jump on his butt!
I don't have the freaking apple.
Oh! Oh God, he's gonna eat you!
He's like, oh, I'm on camera.
He's like, do a video.
He's keeping one.
Yeah. He was so cute, he ran up to me.
Really?
I gotta shut this. Okay, now we're good.
Henry.
Just run around, Jackie, he'll chase you.
She's still trying to chase me.
He's what? Oh my God, he has rabies. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, run! Jackie, run! No! He does have rabies.
What the hell?
Look at his foaming. Yes. You're foaming from the mouth, booty.
Now go get it.
Go get it!
Holy shit.
Chuck it in his head. I got it.
Go, you go. No,
I was
let
gonna
him
do it.
go do it.
He likes
We're going to put Henry in the middle.
Henry in the middle. I don't have it, dork.
Man, Henry in the really triangle middle.
I can't catch. It's like, this isn't cool. Go. Go.
Check it.
Okay, I feel bad.
I feel bad. So I'm going to tease him with it.
Shit.
Ready?
Let's go, Henry.
Come on, Henry. Come on, Henry. Come on, Henry. Ah! He's chasing me. Oh.
Hey.
No!
Don't eat me.
Come on, Henry. Oh.
Did you hear him?
Yeah. Ew. I'm gonna give one to Lucy. You guys have fun with my pony.
Dirt.
No, but then he's talking. Just for 1 minute. If you stay soft, then you roll. If he rolls over, that means he wouldn't be covered. You can't really.
What? What is your problem? Why are you always coming to me? You're not that popular. Yes, you are. Never mind.